Hi, this is a walk-around video of our 2003 Mercedes-Benz CLK500. This car comes with BRABUS monoblocks in really nice shape. They're virtually spotless. And these are, of course, wrapped with Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires. They're all brand new, just installed on the car. Car is very clean. These are the wheels. The bumpers are in remarkable shape, even when you look underneath. They're nice and clean, front and rear bumpers, and everything on the car works. Air condition, power windows, power seats. It's all original. Clean Carfax, of course. Original paint. We also installed prior to offering it for sale, the car had major preventive maintenance done, including, of course, all fluid changes and especially brand new rotors with pads. Even the windshield wipers are Mercedes-Benz. This car is all original. The interior is immaculate. It has not been touched up or anything like that. A lot of the cars that you find out there, the seats have been dyed to hide scratches. But you'll see in this video or on the detailed photos of the car how original this is. And other than the BRABUS monoblock wheels, which are staggered, by the way, so they're wider on the back than on the front. And the cocoa mats, other than the wheels and the cocoa mats, this car is 100% original. And if you ask me, these wheels really set the car apart. We had the little while back, we had a true 6.1 CLK BRABUS, and that car carried those wheels and really made the car look different and drive differently. They're lighter than the stock wheels. They're a little wider, so you can put a little more rubber in there, and the stance of the car just improves tremendously with those BRABUS wheels, which are impossible to find these days in this condition. So this is it. I hope you liked it, and check out our website for more photos of this vehicle. Thank you.